So if you're going to install some custom ROMs in 2026, should you install or not? In this video, I'm going to tell you a reality, giving you a reality check why you should not install some custom ROMs on your Android devices. First of all, remember one thing, that this is not a hate video. This is a simple reality check for many users. If you're using custom ROMs from many time, like I'm personally using a lot of custom ROMs from a long time, so I can give you exact reality check in this case. Like I have a secondary device, so I can install some custom ROMs here. But if you're going to install on a primary device, the issues you're going to face, the first one is related to banking apps. So if you are into banking a lot, if you do work related banking and so on, don't mind installing some custom ROMs or unlocking your bootloader at all, because even if you pass some strong integrity checks, you might not be able to use banking apps perfectly. So keep this thing in your mind. Secondly, you might face a lot of issues regarding play integrity. Yes, there are a lot of fixes available. I have a lot of fixes there, and it's not like those are fake videos. Yes, those work, but that's a complete headache for, especially for the users who are new to these kind of things and who are not actually having a lot of information regarding that. So it's better to ignore that one too. Another thing which is a very basic thing and many users ignore, that is also related to camera. So whenever you install a custom ROM, sometimes your device default camera is not there. So for example, you have installed a Lineage's custom ROM, you have that different camera. I'm not saying the camera has some bugs there, but that's a different from your device default camera app. So you might see some differences there, and many people might not be aware of that one too. One more thing is also very basic thing you will notice. You might see some UI glitches here and there. It's not for every custom ROM, and as I just told you at the starting of the video, this is not a hate video for any custom ROM. It's simply like, for example, if you have installed a custom ROM, sometimes you will see some UI glitches in quick settings panel and software. So sometimes for the users who are not strong enough, this might be a different thing for you. One more thing is, for most of the custom ROMs, you need custom recovery. I guess with 99% of the custom ROMs, you need to install custom recovery. And that is also a very basic thing, but yes, it is actually a headache, because for some custom ROMs, you need this Orange Fox custom recovery. For some custom ROMs, you need TWRP. For some custom ROMs, they have their own custom recoveries available too. So that's also a headache. Another one is related to backups. I just remember those 2015-14 days when you simply take a backup for a whole operating system, the one you're using, then restore it back on the other custom ROMs. Those things, those times are gone. So it's no more possible to take that whole data backup. Yes, it's possible with custom recovery with few things keeping in mind, but it's not as easy as it was like in that those times. So that's also quite complicated. And one more thing you will notice, whenever a new person came, and if they search for best custom ROM things on Google, you'll see massive results, and a lot of custom ROMs are actually not even giving you best performance and best experience. We have few examples like Lineage, CR Droid. Those are just good custom ROMs, but some custom ROMs are dead, so that's a different thing. Also, like in my case, I have used a lot of custom ROMs. Like in this case, I'm using Project Infinity X. So yes, if I need UI, if I need just change in the taste of the UI and changes in some other things for day-to-day usage, I guess you should not use that. But if you have a secondary device, yes, you can definitely give it a try, because this is something really exciting. Custom ROMs gives you fresh power, fresh things for your phone. This is a harsh reality that this is not for everyone. But if you still want to give it a try, make sure to subscribe the channel, because it has a lot of custom ROM videos covered. Go and check it out. Thanks for watching.